how to blur your video background, like making it not to look too clear. Yeah, so let's dive in straight into what I want to show you. It's your girl Steph Gold, and this is my world. Guys, you're highly welcome to today's teaching. Let's dive in straight to CapCut. Download your CapCut app, click on new project. Okay, first let's go for let's choose this background for the video. Next thing now is to add the overlay. What I'm showing you is how to blur this background if you want to make it look blurry doing your video. So now I will add my overlay video I want to use for this teaching. Okay, let's search for let me choose this video. Click on add. So now what we're gonna do next is to go right away to remove BG. Click on remove BG auto remover. You check the background is now, the video background is out, so we want the sitting room background. Let it be what we'll be using for today. So now I'll shift this. Okay, so let me just cut it out. Let me let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, click on this one. Let me cut it out, split and delete. So guys, this is our video now. So now I'm going to show you how you can blur this background. Maybe you really want to change this background into a much, like to make it blurry. So this is how to go about it. So now make sure that nothing is highlighted. Just as you keep it like that, you will look down the options here where you see edit, audio, text, overlay, effect. Just click on effect. Yeah, you click on what? Video effect. This is it, guys. Then all this option we have to pop out. So now you scroll down, then you will see lens. You click on this lens. So this is it, guys. You now scroll down and search for blur effects. This is it here, blur effect.
Hi, beautiful
you
people.
Click on it and check. So this is it, guys. Our video is now blurry. Let's drag this to where the video starts. Okay, so now let's play it.
Hi, beautiful
see what
people.
It looks like.
Everyone.
So this is our video, guys.
5 simple.
So this is it, how to blur your videos, using your CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. It's still your girl Steph Gold World, and this is my world, guys. Do not forget to follow, like and share this video as many as possible. Make the ministry of a girl go viral. Know that I will always bring about good stuff to you people. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.